Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and it is fortunately kind of highlighted in this section, so let's simply tap on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the previous page, and in the settings we have to find the system. It should be right above the tablet. Now let's tap on the developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the window animation scale or transition animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected with the input, so you can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got the no working options, so we can customize the Bluetooth, the tethering, USB or Wi-Fi. So quite a lot of options to choose from and to customize. In order to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in this window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. So basically it works just like in the regular settings. If you want to turn off the developer options, simply tap on this on the switcher which is at the top of this list. Just tap on it and most of the options which are available will be inactive. And after getting back to the system settings, the developer options should disappear. However, as you can see in my case, they are still here, but no worries, probably if you will turn off the settings completely and also turn it off from the recents or restart your device, they will disappear. And of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.